Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable chat notifications on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to the app. Then once we're logged in, we're going to click on My Accounts on the lower right corner. Then click on Settings on the top right corner. Again, we're going to click on Notifications. As you can see, the chats option is turned off. So we're going to turn it on. So from now on, we're going to receive notifications for chats. We also have a video on how to disable it. So make sure you guys go and check it out. So once you finish, you guys could continue with your shopping. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.